Using crypto in India is a straightforward process that involves several steps. First, you need to understand what cryptocurrency is and how it works. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. To start using crypto in India, you need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange that operates in the country. Some popular options include WazirX, CoinDCX, and ZebPay. Once you have chosen an exchange, you need to create an account and complete the Know Your Customer process, which involves verifying your identity and address. After your account is set up, you can deposit Indian rupees into your account using a payment method such as a bank transfer or online banking. You can then use these funds to buy cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. It is essential to do your research and understand the fees and risks associated with buying and selling cryptocurrency. When buying cryptocurrency, you need to consider the current market price and the amount you want to invest. You can also set up a recurring investment to buy a fixed amount of cryptocurrency at regular intervals. It is crucial to store your cryptocurrency in a secure wallet to protect it from hackers and other security threats. In India, the government has introduced regulations to govern the use of cryptocurrency. The Reserve Bank of India has warned users about the risks associated with cryptocurrency and has advised them to exercise caution when dealing with virtual currencies. However, it has not banned the use of cryptocurrency, and many Indians continue to use it for investment and other purposes. To use crypto in India safely and securely, you need to follow best practices such as using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your software up to date. You should also be aware of the tax implications of buying and selling cryptocurrency in India and comply with all relevant laws and regulations. In conclusion, using crypto in India requires a basic understanding of cryptocurrency and the steps involved in buying and selling it. By following the steps outlined in this guide and taking the necessary precautions, you can use crypto in India safely and securely.